Next game we're going to play for you now is a game called Typewriter. This is for all of us. Aaron, our mad writer, come on out here, sir. Aaron's going to be a mad writer. Typing away on the old typewriter. Here's what the game works, guys, is that as Aaron narrates aloud everything he's working on as he's typing away his typewriter, the rest of the players are going to be coming on and playing out the story that he's writing. Yeah, I know, right? I heard like, whoa, that just sounds amazing. It is. It absolutely is. Folks, what I need from you now is, let's do this, is once again, any location on the face of the globe. Texas! She was quick. Quick at Texas. Texas! Texas! A story about Texas.
See. Deep in the heart of Texas. Yeah, why not? There was a lone horse rider. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's good. On a great black and white steed. Whoa! He came upon a cliff. Looking over the cliff, wasn't quite sure exactly what he was going to do to get around. Ah, that's crap! It's crap! God! Once upon a time in Texas, there was a lone horse rider on a somewhat promising looking, but probably half-retarded horse. To follow his directions, he had to smack him on the back of the head.
I missed. Damn horse. I should have traded you for that Harley Davidson. You know, that really sexy four-legged horse that they call Harley Davidson over there.
Now, off in the distance, he heard the beating of drums. ZZ Top was riding through Texas.
That's okay. That's okay. I don't think there's many engines left in this part, except in the car that they drive.
No, that makes no sense because I just said ZZ Top was going through Texas.
And I'm the retarded one.
You know, boy, they do say that horses and their owners take after each other.
No. Ah, this is crap. Two best buddies rode in on two nearly identical horses. Realizing that they had told their girlfriends they were going fishing, no, that's trademarked. They really were going fishing.
Here's the fishing pond. Go ahead, horse. Drink.
Realizing you can lead a horse to water, but only if he's half retarded will he actually do As I mentioned before, the horses were nearly identical because the other horse knew that the watering hole was tainted. Which is horse for, crap.
God! It's on my leg! It's on my leg! Help!
The older brother being very concerned about the younger brother being pinned under the horse, now dead horse, and knowing that with his bad knee there was no way he was going to be able to save his brother, did the only humane thing he could think of.
Animal House, they cut him in half!
This was much easier to just go ahead and finish off his younger brother. Which the horse apparently thought was hilarious. But he only nicked the younger brother.
Ah! I'm gonna kick your butt with this leg!
And being that apparently a one-legged man can win in an ass-kicking contest, the horse fell over and his brother was in an equal and also unfortunate position underneath the horse.